I have to say that the Earth is in crisis, and we all need to be reminded that we have a responsibility to protect the planet. And I hope that one day this Earth Thermometer will be installed in cities across the world as a reminder for all of us to ensure our planet's safety.
I want to thank you guys very much for coming out and for giving us the opportunity to kind of show this off a little bit. In this case, we were invited to either cut a check for a contribution amount or make art.
You know, Tempe, as you may or may not know, it has a strong connection to the arts. We always have. And if you look around, we have over 100 pieces of art throughout the city, and we have much more in commercial development centers throughout the city. It adds a piece of humanity and culture to our community, and I think when people go to work and they see a piece of art, it really adds to the environment and what Tempe really speaks about.
Hi, my name is Ted Troxel, and I'm the artist behind the Earth Thermometer. It's about a 13-foot tall stainless steel sculpture that lights up and reflects the current atmospheric temperature of the environment around it. It has two numbers on it, a 98 and a 32, which is a healthy human body temperature in freezing water, two things that are vital to our survival. It comments on global warming, climate change, and hopefully poetic to the viewer.
I just want to applaud the city of Tempe, and especially Mayor Mark Mitchell. He attended this morning to celebrate this, and that the city requires art installations at all developments is really a statement for the city, and such a beautiful representation of life and humanity, and not just development and dollars and cents. And so it's really special to be here to celebrate this. I think we could see one of these in every major city across the world, frankly. So wonderful to be here and happy to celebrate this, and major kudos to the city of Tempe for their participation.